Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door switch holder in your microwave oven, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the front vent. You can use a putty knife to help pry off the vent. Next, unthread the screws securing the control assembly. Lift the control assembly up to detach. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the control board, then disconnect them to fully remove the assembly. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the door switches, then disconnect them. Unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the door switch holder to the frame. Lift the switch holder up and pull it free of the frame. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the 3 door switches from the holder. Prepare the new door switch holder for installation by transferring the latch lever from the old holder to the new one. Snap the 3 switches into place in the holder. Insert the switch holder tabs into the slots in the frame and press down. Thread the mounting screws. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals on each switch. Reinstall the control assembly by inserting the assembly tabs into the slots in the microwave oven frame. Then connect all of the control board wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Align the assembly and push down. Thread the screw. Having a magnetized screwdriver will make this easier. Reinstall the front vent by aligning the top edge first, then press the bottom edge into place. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.